Hello and welcome to the Gameblox custom properties tutorial. So for a custom property we want to have a size value for each of these coins, and when I hit one of the coins we want just that coin to get smaller. As each time we touch it it'll get smaller and smaller, and it won't affect that size property on any of the coins we don't touch. So first we're going to go to coin, and then we'll click on custom properties and then new property, and we will call this property size. And then we have to figure out what to put the size to. So what we can do is we can go back to properties, and here we see that the height and width, the starting height and width of these coins is 50 pixels. So we can go back to custom properties and we'll set the size to the same thing. Then we want to go to blocks. And now here in blocks, the first thing we want to do is we want to look in when the sprite class collides with the coin class. And we want to take the size, or that custom property, and we want to decrease it maybe by 2 each time a collision occurs. So we can go to change games, and we want to say change the collide 2, because the collide 2 is going to be the coin class, as it says here. And we want to change its size, which is the only custom property we have. And then we'll select math block and bring it out, and we will change it by -2. So the first collision it'll set the size to 48, and then 46, and then 44. Then what we need is we need to go to looks, and we need to set the height and width of the collide. So we'll start with width, and instead of sprite 1 we'll pick collide 2, and then we want to change it by the custom property size. So we'll grab this games blank and we'll change it to collide 2's size. And then if we play, we have our UFO, and as we hit this coin you'll notice it should get smaller, but if you look carefully it's warping because we're only changing the width. We also want to change the height. See, it's becoming oval-like. So let's do that. So we'll go back to blocks, and then the easiest way to do this is to right click on the set width command and duplicate it, click it in, and change the width to also the height. And you'll notice it has this ID 59. You can select size from that. Now click play and let's see what we got. So as we hit this coin it should get smaller, and the other one should stay at about the same size. And as you can see it is getting smaller. And you also notice my coins are floating around, so if I go back to design and click on the properties for coin class, I can get rid of the reacts to collisions. And then when I play, the coins should still move to a random spot, but no longer collide and slide around the board. So that is custom properties. Thank you for watching.